Hello, Tan Pan Productions here, and I am back. Here's the 60s Trane air conditioner again. There's the data panel. Can't call it a sheet because it's metal. There's an overview of the air conditioner. The Lennox that was here, for some reason, is gone. I don't know what happened. But I know that there is another Lennox here, and they got rid of it and replaced it with the Lennox. I don't know if this air conditioner was hidden behind the tree, or if they also got the newer Lennox air conditioner and got this one. Because if they did get this air conditioner recently, it has to be thrifted. It's crazy to be back here after 4 years, and they redid the area right here. So I have harder access. I can just walk up here. And the serial number in the very back says 6132. So I wonder if that's the 32nd week of 1961. I'll be back. When I was here last, there was this air conditioner we didn't look at. It's very dirty because it's under a tree, but this one is also a 2000, and I think that's a 5-ton. That's pretty small. Not much about it except it's just under a tree. Here I am with the other 2000 Lennox again. This one's also a 5-ton. There's another Lennox air conditioner, again from 2015. And there's this McQuay air conditioner from 2008. Actually, I wonder if these are heat pumps or straight cool units. I keep forgetting about that. Can't figure it out. I guess maybe I'll check this one. This one just turned off. Air conditioner. This is a straight cool. Actually, I wonder if it also says it down here. This is an older building, so I have to guess this is a straight cool. They might have some other unit for heating. Let's see, without this turning on. That is can't tell. Actually, air conditioner. This is straight cool. Why is it taking me so long? But yeah, these are the air conditioners. I wonder why the insulation for these air conditioners is so thick. On this commercial air conditioner, I understand. And there's the Panasonic Ductless Air Conditioner, I think. Air conditioner, yeah, straight cool. There you have it. Out.